Serupa dengan proyek perontokan batu di Heath Road, PT Red Path Indonesia bekerja sama dengan Civil Geotech dan Grasberg Geotech PT Freeport Indonesia telah melakukan proyek perontokan di area Dispatch Ridge, Grasberg.
This is the Red Path Heat Crew High Scaling Project. We've been at it now since the beginning of March of this year we started. And we first started on the Heat Road that we got our practice on. We had to practice on the Heat Road to get the guys used to familiar of high scaling and getting on the ropes, using Zoomers and using how to tie knots and all that. This project here is called Dispatch Ridge, and this project here is the highest part of the pit, the Grasberg. This is the highest communication part, and our objective to this is to knock down that thumb and the finger and secure the ground so that they can continue this pit. This is what they're trying to do, is secure that ground there by knocking it down. We have a lot, as you can see over to the side, we have a lot of screen to put on there after we finish doing the blasting part of the rock and that, and we're going to screen it. So our job is to secure that top of the mountain. Every time the pit blasts, it shakes it up a little bit more. So what we're going to do is drill and blast it, knock it down, then we're going to scale it, and then when we're finished scaling it, we're going to screen it. This job here, I'm looking at about another 2 months here, securing this anyhow. So once this is secure, and then we'll get on the other side of the pit, and we've probably got about 3 weeks of work there. Once I finish that 3 weeks of work there, then we'll be back on the Heat Road.
Okay, untuk memulai setup job ini, sebelum kita memulai bekerja di sini, kita mengikuti prosedur dari IRJ untuk Freeport sendiri, bahwa setiap kegiatan seperti ini, rope dan sebagainya, upselling, descender dan sebagainya, itu harus melalui training. Kita sempat training di IRJ dengan Pak Mulyadi. Dan job itu di bawah juga belum selesai. Kita di sini yang priority sekali. Jadi mereka orang Grasberg mau untuk ke sini. Jadi kita ke sini dulu karena mereka rasa ini lebih penting untuk keselamatan orang di bawah. Sebab kita ke sini, kita balik lagi training ke mereka, refresher. Ada juga rekan-rekan yang baru, kita training ulang lagi untuk familiar lagi dengan rope. Nah, itu orang semua kita sudah training. Ya, itu yang paling penting sekali, training untuk melaksanakan job ini.
Area yang ditargetkan untuk perontokan secara geografis sangat menantang dan diperlukan pemboran, peledakan, perontokan, dan instalasi screen sepanjang 20 meter di area selebar 60 meter sebagai bagian akhir dari proyek untuk mengamankan area di bawah Dispatch Ridge dari potensi batuan lepas.
Kita seperti kita sudah naik dari kontainer, kita harus komunikasi, bos harus komunikasi, dan kita harus turun. Semua kita sudah siapkan material sama bukti Anda, semua kita naik ke lapangan dan kita turun ke lapangan, kita mulai keling, kayak turun batu, pakai safety line semua.